So, for those of us that are complaining, we do not know how to log into our HMO. Let's start with Hygeia HMO. For Hygeia HMO, you will be sent an email. In that email, you will see your policy number. That your policy number is what you are going to use as username later. So your HMO, when the email is sent to you, you will see policy number. So in order to now know whether it's active or not, you will go to go to Play Store or App Store. When you go to Play Store or App Store, try to look for Hygeia HMO. Let me type Hygeia here. This Hygeia HMO app, this particular one, click on it, and this is the HMO. This is it. This is the Hygeia HMO, Hygeia mobile, Hygeia HMO. So you install it, open it. When you, this is how it's going to look like. Oh, please take note. You see, this is how it's going to look like. Let me circle it here. Can we see it? Yes, that's how it's going to look like. So Hygeia, that's the Hygeia HMO. Now when you open it, it will take you to where to put your username and your password. You put your username and you put your password. So for the sake of privacy, I will pause the video, put in this person's username and password, and come back. Now your username is your policy number, then your password is the year that they gave birth to you. Let's say they gave birth to you in 1987 December 10. You just put only 1987. That will be your password, but your username is going to be your policy number. So let me pause the video and put the username, then continue. All right, I have put the username and the password, and you will see that this person is active. We will tell you that it expires in December 16, 2025, and you see your plan and everything. I'm blocking the person's name and picture, so for privacy purpose too, so you won't be able to see the name. But this is what you can do on this particular Hygeia app. One, some of you are wondering where can I get hospital to use, or which hospital should I go to? What you can do is come to this place called there are 6 boxes here: green, blue, deep blue, orange. You see another one. Here. Call a doctor and the rest. This orange one that say check provider access. That orange colored one. Yes, this particular one. This one. Yes. So that's the one that you go to. Click on it. When you click on it, type the name of the hospital that you want to go to. If let's say I want to go to Bethel Hospital now, I click on check Bethel. I will see all the Bethel that are here. Let's say I want to go to this Bethel Specialist Hospital. I will click on verify access. So when I click on verify access, it tell me you are allowed to go to this hospital. If it is the other one, click on it again. You are allowed to visit this clinic. Click on another one. You are allowed to visit this. So any one of them that you want to go to, search it here on this access, on this check provider access. You understand? Then if you are in a particular environment, you want to check hospitals too, you can click on this nearest provider, this deep blue here in the middle, this deep blue box, nearest provider. So you click on it, put your state where you are staying. We will stay in Lagos. So when you click on Lagos, click OK. Click on your local government, Alimosho, you click OK. Then specialization, always choose medical, except you want to go to dental or spa or whatever, but always click medical. This dental is for teeth, optical is for eye, diagnostic is for what they call it. Diagnostic is for test. Then wellness is all those where you go to be doing spa and the rest, or gym. So click medical. When you click medical, you click OK. Then you click find provider. When you click find provider, it will give you the list. Provider means hospital anyway. So it will give you the list of all the hospitals that are in Hygeia, and you see all of them. They say nearest provider. Provider means hospital. in case you are wondering. So you pick anyone that is in that your area. That's how you go about it. So nearest provider, check provider, the benefit usage. If you click this first green one here, it will tell you the kind of benefit. You click your name, click OK. It will tell you all the benefits that you can enjoy using Hygeia. Do you understand? All the benefits. Then if you want to see your plan, this one can give you your ID card straight away. This is your ID card. It will give you your date of birth and everything. But we are going to block all the details so that you will not see somebody's personal details. You understand? Then if you want to talk to a doctor, you don't want to go to the hospital but you want to call a doctor, you can click on this last one that is red color here. Call a doctor, telemedicine. So you can call the doctor. When you click on call the doctor, you will see that it will start calling a particular person. They will tell you follow all the prompt and the rest. Let's see how it goes. But we are not going to call any doctor here, but it's something you can do. That's the phone number to call the doctor. From your app, it's different. Don't go and use this same one. So you can call that doctor from there, and they would respond to you. And how will I put it? There are many things you can see here. You can calculate your BMI. You can see. You can ask for refund. You can see directory. You can get your electronic ID card here. Just pick your name and they will give you your electronic ID card. This is your electronic ID card from Hygeia. Do you understand? And you can download it as PDF. You can download it as a picture. So just the HMO is working, but a lot of us are just complaining. We do it month on month. That's why you see that it expires in December 16. Before that December 16, they would have done it again. So as long as you keep working, anytime you keep having your HMO, anytime you stop working, you will not have a HMO. They will now deactivate it. So use all these things and go and check for your HMO. So we don't want to hear too much complaint. Thank you.